Get ready to discover the kitchen upgrades you didn't know you needed. Today we're diving into the most amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets of 2025. Smart, sleek, and designed to make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Let's see which one will be your new favorite. Crafted from rich natural acacia wood, this magnetic knife stand is as stylish as it is functional. Its double-sided design with powerful hidden magnets keeps every blade securely in place, while the stainless steel base ensures rock-solid stability. Easy to clean and gentle on your knives, it's the perfect blend of elegance, safety, and convenience for any kitchen. This sleek, gold-accented automatic soap dispenser brings a touch of modern luxury to any space. With a fast 0.25-second touch-free dispense, adjustable settings, and a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 4 months, it's designed for maximum convenience. Compatible with everything from hand soap to shampoo, it's perfect for homes, offices, and anywhere hygiene meets style. Turn your veggies into restaurant-quality spirals with this versatile 3-blade handheld spiralizer, featuring color-coded stainless steel blades for spaghetti, fettuccine, and ribbon cuts. It handles everything from zucchini to carrots with ease. With a comfortable non-slip grip and a protective food holder, it's the safe, fun, and healthy way to upgrade your meals. Fresh, homemade soup is just 18 minutes away with the Philips Viva Collection SoupMaker. With 6 preset programs, it whips up everything from chunky or pureed soups to smoothies and compotes, no extra appliances needed. Its generous 1.2-liter capacity, unique blade design, and included recipe book make healthy, flavorful cooking effortless all year round. This twisting jar opener makes stubborn lids a thing of the past. Its large, easy grip handle and sharp teeth latch onto any lid size, while the non-slip base pad keeps jars steady for effortless opening. Perfect for arthritic hands or anyone who wants a quicker, strain-free way to tackle jars in the kitchen. From crispy fried chicken to fluffy pancakes, this non-stick electric skillet is your all-in-one cooking solution. Its compact 8-inch by 8-inch design, clear glass lid, and rust-resistant cast aluminum body make it perfect for quick meals without the mess. With dishwasher-safe cleanup and cool-touch handles, it's a kitchen essential built for convenience and flavor. Streamline your waste and recycling with this high-capacity, dual-compartment step trash can. Featuring color-coded liners, a hands-free stainless steel foot pedal, and a slow-close lid, it's designed for convenience and cleanliness. With built-in odor control and a fingerprint-resistant finish, it keeps your kitchen fresh and looking spotless. Enjoy pure, great-tasting water anywhere with this 7-stage reverse osmosis countertop system. It filters out most tap water pollutants, offers instant heating for coffee or tea, and requires no installation, just plug in and pour. With its smart LED monitor, quiet operation, and portable design, it's the ultimate clean water solution for home, office, or RV. This Swiss-designed clip-on strainer fits pots and pans from 5.5 to 10 inches, making draining pasta, veggies, and more effortless. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it stays securely in place for safe, spill-free pouring, no bulky colander needed. Space-saving, dishwasher-safe, and built to last, it's the smart upgrade every kitchen deserves. Turn lunchtime into fun time with this sandwich cutter and sealer that's perfect for kids and adults alike. From PB&J to mini pies and pizza pockets, it seals in your favorite fillings for mess-free homemade treats in minutes. Made from durable food-grade stainless steel, it's reusable, easy to clean, and built to make every meal more creative and delicious. Keep your kitchen organized and stylish with this rust-proof aluminum dish drying rack. Its 2-layer design and removable utensil cup handle, everything from plates to pots, while raised ridges ensure quick, efficient drying. With non-slip feet for stability and a fold-flat design for easy storage, it's the perfect blend of function and elegance. Blend, twist, and go with this powerful portable blender that's built for life on the move. Featuring Ninja Power Blast technology, it crushes ice and frozen ingredients anywhere, while the detachable lightweight vessel makes sipping and carrying effortless. With 3 intelligent presets, XL capacity, and a real-time battery indicator, it's your go-to gadget for fresh drinks anytime, anywhere.